Hello everyone. In this video we will be showing how to use a Chapman Taylor title block and how to create a key plan for your project. Let's say that you have just started your project and you have to create the project's own title block and key plan. The Chapman Taylor template already has built in some title blocks and key plan families for you to use. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to the project browser, under families, expand the annotation symbols, and we are using prefixes for each type of annotation family. The title blocks are located down below to TTB, title block. We have preloaded the Chapman Taylor template with different formats, but your project may only use one or two of the available formats. Let's say that for our project today, the sheet size is going to be an A1 title block. The first thing we need to do is to select this, right click and rename it, and then append the job code to the family name. In this case, let's use 123 ABC. 123 ABC standing for the project code. And let's click OK. And now we are okay to edit this family. We will edit the family and we will save this one on the project families folder because it's a project specific title block. So here, once you open the title block family, notice that we are in the family editor now. We have left the project environment. It's no longer here. We are on the family editor. We have nested in each title block a key plan family that we can use to create the project key plan. In order for us to make this key plan unique to the project, we'll need to do the same as we just did to the title block family. We need to expand the families node, annotation symbols, scroll down to detailed key plan and rename it with the matching job number 123 ABC. And now let's edit the key plan family also. You should follow the instructions. So what reads here is that do not delete boundary lines. They will not show on the plot, being the boundary lines, these four lines here. Sketch the key plan inside boundary lines. Add visibility parameters to sketch elements according to needs, and then save as the family to the project's families folder. This is the same folder where you will be saving also the title blocks families and other project-specific families that you create in the course of design. And then we're going to load this key plan into the title block, overwrite it, and then delete this node before using, which is the next thing that we're going to do. So we're going to select the text and just delete it. We're going to create a very simple key plan. For that we'll be using lines. Let's say that your project only has two areas that you want to include in your key plan. So let's sketch a just regular rectangle and we're going to add some visibility parameters to highlight the different project areas. Let's click the field region, rectangle again, and let's create two. Oops, sorry. I'm going to undo that because I want to create them individually. Line, rectangle, and cancel. Okay. Sorry, I'm going to do that again. I may have missed a step here. Okay, so we have two field regions. Let's say that this accounts for zone A and this one for zone B of the building. So in order for me to drive this from within the Titleblock family, let's add some visibility parameters to each of these field regions. Let me just tab until I have it selected. And I'm going to add to the visible parameter to create one called, say, zone A, and make it an instance parameter. Okay, and I'm going to do the same to zone B. Make it an instance parameter. Click OK. OK again. And then I will load this family into my title block, not to my project, into my title block family. And click OK. It will ask me if I want to override. I will say yes. Then I have my title, not my key plan here already, ready to be used. Because we are still within the title block family, if there's something unique to the project that needs to be changed, I don't know, by adding another consultant or doing some changes to the text or adding additional things, you will do it in the title block and then load it into the project. And when you load, let's load it into project 3, override, and yes. Now, when we go to a sheet, we can place the recently created title block. Here it is. You can choose from one of the 3 UK offices. Let's use the Manchester one. Click and drag, and then you'll have a title block here, and with the key plan that we created. Because the key plan is a detail item and is nested inside the title block family, and we have added visibility parameters for each of the area. Oh, okay, I forgot one step. Let's go back to the title block and let's link the zone A and B parameters for the key plan into zone A, make it an instance, okay, and do the same for zone B. Now we can load this into project 3, overwrite. Let's go to our sheet, and now we have the zone A and B checkboxes to reveal or not each zone that we're interested in. Because this is loaded in the title block family, we can use the same family in different sheets and on each sheet decide which zone is being highlighted. Thank you for watching.